Question number 2, exercise 15.3 is draw a graph for the following. Same here, you have to draw the graph and you have to tell whether it's linear graph or not. So if you find an unbroken line, अगर आपको unbroken line मिलती है, then yes, it's linear graph. Or in other way you can say, in other terms you can say that if all the points lie on the graph on a single line, all the points lie on this single line, then we'll say that it's a linear graph. So let's draw it. Let's take x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis, we'll take side of the square in centimeter, and on y-axis, we'll take perimeter in centimeter. On x-axis, we have given you 2, 3, 3.5, 5, 6, but we are to take here equal gap. हमें अपनी तरफ से इक्वल गैप लेना है, हमें एज इट इज पॉइंट नहीं उठाने हैं, हमें इक्वल गैप लेना है. सो विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1. दिस इज origin, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 like this. And on y-axis we have given 8, 12, 14, 20, 24. So here also we'll take equal gaps. Either we can take the gap of 4, 4 or we can take the gap of 2, 2. So if I take the gap of 4, 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, sorry, yes, 16, then 20 and 24. Then first value is 2, 8. When the side is 2, perimeter is 8. So this point 2, 8. When it's 3, then perimeter is 12. When it's 3, perimeter is 12. When it's 3.5, that is between 3 and 4, it's 14. 3.5, it's 14. When it's 5, it's 20. 3.5 के लिए आप 3 और 4 के बीच में लोगे. 4 की वैल्यू गिवन नहीं है, 3.5 गिवन है. So we'll take between 3 and 4. 3.5 आप इसके बीच में लोगे, ठीक है, और 14 आपको 12 और 16 के बीच में मिलेगा. You will get 14 between 12 and 16 and 3.5 between 3 and 4, right? Then 5 पे 20, 520, 6 पे 24. Then you will join it and you will observe that all points are on single line. So yes, it's a linear graph. You will say here, yes, the graph is linear. Next is second part of the question. Second question is, here also you have given side of the square and here you have given area in centimeter square. So again you have to tell whether it's linear graph or not. So again we will take side of square on x-axis and area on y-axis. So let's take x-axis and y-axis. x-axis पे आप लोगे side of square in centimeter. On y-axis you will take area in centimeter square, it's given. So again you will take the equal space and equal numbers at the equal space. Like जो given है जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको as it is वही लेने, आप equal लेंगे. Like 1 से start करेंगे, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And on y-axis it's given 4, 9, 16 square numbers given hai, but here also we'll take equal gaps. Either you can take the gap of 10, 10 or 5, 5, 4, 4, any gap you can take here. So if I take the gap of 10, 10, 10, 20, 30 and 40. Then when the side is 2, then area is 4. जब side 2 है तो area 4 है. Then you will go to the fourth point from 0. अब fourth point पे जाएंगे. This is the 2, 4. When it's 3, it will be 9. Like this. When it's 4, it will be 16. This one. When it's 5, it's 25. This point. When it's 6, it's 36. This. You will join it. The first point is this, then second, then third, then fourth, like this. Okay. So now here you can observe it's not linear. So we'll say that no, it's not linear graph. Right here we'll mention no, it's not linear graph. We will plot the numbers. हमें ध्यान रखना है कि जो हम x एक्सिस और y एक्सिस पे पॉइंट्स ले रहे हैं वो हमारे सेम गैप पे होने चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं कि अगर इन्होंने टू, यू कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द टू ऑल्सो, बट इक्वल, बट हमें गैप इक्वल रखना है. वहां पे आप किंक लाइन ले लोगे लेकिन आपको जरूरत ही नहीं, बिकॉज वन नंबर इज ओनली देयर. एक ही तो आगे आ रहा है टू से पहले. सो विल टेक फ्रॉम द 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 लाइक दिस. और वाई एक्सिस पे आप एज इट इज 4 9 नहीं ले सकते. 4 9 16, बिकॉज इन 4 and 9 it's 5 गैप, एंड 16 and 9 it's 7. ठीक है. सो गैप जो है वो आपके पास इक्वल होना चाहिए. सो यू कांट टेक इट लाइक दिस. आप 5 5 का ले सकते हो, 2 2 का ले सकते हो, 4 4 का ले सकते हो, बट नॉट of as given numbers, right? So this was question last part of last question of the exercise. Now you can complete your chapter is completed. You can complete your 15th chapter now.